till the lines are close together. Just like that. Then you're going to take this and you're going to fold it back. So it's going to look like that. Crease it again. And it's just going to look like a piece of paper. But you needed those lines folded and you needed to cut those out. So once it gets to here, you're going to fold it again that way. And then after that, you're going to open it and we're going to do something again. Okay, open it like that. Open it again, back again like it's like this. Okay? What you're going to do now, you're going to take your yellow piece of paper. You're going to fold it. This time you're not going to use your scissors when you cut it. Because what you want to do, you want to take your time. And you want to do that. And when you open it, you're going to find a big wet spot in the middle. And you're going to want to go start cutting it with your finger. Go. Like that. So these two pieces are apart. What you're going to want to do is you're going to want to fold this again. Fold both of them again in half. And this time you're not going to cut them either, because you want them to line up just with that. It's going to look like this. Okay? This one you're going to make a different shape, because you're going to make each. Once I do that, I'm going to take a piece of paper, fold it in half. Fold in half like you've been folding the other papers. We gotta speed this up because this video is getting way too long, okay? Open it. Rip it with your fingers again. Okay, now you see that. Now, I'm gonna fold this one but not the other one. Keep on doing it like that. Open it. Put it just like before. Now you're going to want to take this and you're going to want to put it on this side. This side, and do that for every one. Flip it again, like that. So then you're going to take that, that, and that. You're going to tape all of them together. Let me do that, and then I'll show you how it turns out. And then you got to take this piece and make a roof. So let me tape all the sides together, then I'll show you how it turned out. then you're going to have your sides like this. Alright. What you're going to do for your roof is you're going to do this. Sorry, I haven't been talking lately, but I've just been focused on this because you know how much I love spider monkeys. Okay. Sorry, my friend taught me them yesterday, and I am in love with them. Oh, my God. They're my loves. Okay, sorry. I know it's kind of babyish, but still. You're going to fold it like that, and then you're going to do that and fold it on the other side. Well, I don't think it's babyish. And it's going to be like that and then that. So you're going to have that in the middle, okay? Like that. And then now you gotta go like this. You gotta go like that, and those gotta tape together. So okay, so you're gonna hold these together. You're gonna go so it's gonna be like that. It looks so good so far. I'm so proud. Okay. Then I get another piece of tape about this big. I'm gonna tape the other side up. I'm sorry this video is so long, but I'm about to show you what the results are. I just gotta make my roof after this. And my door. It's a lot to make if you want it to turn out good. Right? Kind of hard. There's how you make a spider monkey's house. All you need to do is make the roof, and you gotta make the door. Okay, you know how we did this? Well, that's a little bit too small. Take a piece of paper, gonna fold it in half. And then that is how our roof's going to be. Let me just make the door real fast. This video is so long and I'm so sorry, but it's very interesting of this spider monkey. And I know how I haven't gotten all this out, but you know just how to tape that. And then you just cut out a door. And then you know how to make it. You just add a roof on like that. So that's going to be part of it.